Okay, so the first thing is how to apply basketball to solve maths problems, okay? So this this is my own name, basketball lemma, okay? So basically it's you know how if you have a fraction, right? Like you have like 3/5, okay? And then you do something like you add the same number to the top and bottom, yeah? So you add like 1 to the top and bottom, you get 4/6, yeah? Or sometimes you get a bit more extreme, you add like a big number and you get like 14/16, yeah? Okay.
It's bigger.
Yeah, and the claim I'm trying to make is this number gets bigger, okay? Right? But why does it get bigger? Okay?
Because
So I can explain this using basketball. Okay, so basically if you think of the fraction as your shooting percentage, right?
it's not a.
So
Is it from the free throw line or like?
or for anything. So if you shoot 5 times and you make 3 times, right? Okay. Then you've got like 60%, right? Or 3/5. Yeah. There's another thing is like percentages don't actually work until you get to like 100. Okay, so it's not really a percentage until there's the hundreds in the denominator. Okay, or a multiple of 100. Well, anyway, but the idea is it's a measure of your shooting accuracy, right? So if you add the same thing to the top and the bottom, it means you're making every shot after that, right? So the next 10 shots you make them all, right? So obviously your shooting fraction is going to go up. Yeah? Yeah, so the claim is but this only works if the starting number is less than 1, okay? So if a over b is less than 1, then a plus n over b plus n. This is actually used to solve a lot of junior maths olympiad problems, by the way. Is bigger than a over b, yeah? And the funny thing is if a over b is bigger than 1, okay? So that means your shooting percentage already of 100%, okay? Then making them will actually decrease your shooting percentage, right? Because 100% is less than something that's more than 100%. So then you get but this is kind of like okay, so that's pretty cool. Um, yeah, so so a lot of the time you're kind of always wondering if the number goes up or down, and then you kind of think about it, and then you figure out it goes up, right? But this is kind of like a really nice way to think about it. So it might not really be a proof, but it's very convincing, and it uses your understanding of like basketball to solve this math problem. Okay, all right.